He's us, but we want to. Please invite us elsewhere.
Bless you.
Bless you.
How do you say bless?
We give our trauma, we get something back.
Bless you.
아이고